option of raise hand. You have to click here.
Okay,
Not
fine.
raise hand physically.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So right now you can talk, Marcy. Right now, can you see Rodela?
Hi. Who
Okay,
I'm gonna talk to?
Yes, right now you can talk. Yes, please.
Hello, ma'am. May I know your name?
Excuse me. My name is Mercy. I'm a teacher also here in Cambodia. Yes. What is your name?
My name is Rodela. My name is Rodela, and I'm from Bangladesh. So where are you from?
I came from the Philippines. Originally, I'm from Philippines, but recently I'm working here in Cambodia. So I'm living here in Cambodia for 5 years now. I'm working in a semi-public school, and I'm a school teacher. And you? How old are you?
Yeah, I'm 12 years old, and my school name is Bachashid Abdul Jabbar Answer BDP School and College, and I'm also a student of RDM English School. In RDM English School, I'm learning English in RDM English School.
Okay.
So do you love RDM English School?
Excuse me, say it again.
I said, I think you know about RDM English School. So do you love RDM English School? Do you think that it's a great platform for children?
Yes, of course. Even if I'm just new in this learning school, I love it. I like the children, how they improvise their personality, and I love the kids who how they introduce themselves to everyone. So, and of course, meeting another teacher is really grateful for me too. So I love this group.
Ma'am, okay, do you want to know anything about our country? That means Bangladesh. Do you know anything?
Okay. I have no idea about your country, but I heard about your country. But any culture or so, I have no idea about it. Would you like to tell me some?
Oh yeah, I would love to, ma'am. And you know, Bangladesh is a very green country, and we many tourists actually love to visit Bangladesh because there are many tourist spots on Bangladesh. So has Cactus Bazaar.
Can you please introduce yourself? And so I will give you a chance to talk with some of students from RDM English School. Yeah.
Okay. My name is Lorenza Khan. I am from Indonesia.
You're from Indonesia. Can you please show your hand, please? The student. Oh. Mahatav Murfisher, and also Tasmia. You wanna talk? Okay, so I give a chance to SM Mahatav first. Okay, and then one question, and then next to Motsifer. Okay. Yes, please. Yeah, Mantaf. Yes, you can ask ma'am from Indonesia.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, how are you?
Jakarta, Indonesia have a capital, which is Jakarta. It's the capital of Indonesia, and an Indonesian language, which we call it as Bahasa, is our native language. Is there any question?
Okay, so if I visit Indonesia, I'll come to the place. So do you know anything about our RDM School? RDM School is an online platform where we'll learn English carefully with two friendly teachers, Vibing Jamison and Hassan Haibun Nabi Shubonser, who gives direction as to speak English.
Okay, that's really good. Here.
Okay.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
So I'm giving another chance to another student for talking with you. Or someone, so right now I think that Tashmia can talk. So John, you can make another partner for talking with Tashmia.
Okay, so I could not find microphone. Okay. Actually, we have brother David, TNT,
Yes, David. Yes, we have David. Yes, we can see.
David, brother David. Yeah. So I give a chance. Yeah, I give a chance to Mochifer. Or Tasmia. Tasmia, are you ready? Or Mochifer?
Okay, Tashmia. Okay, fine. So firstly, Tashmia, you can talk with David. So David, can you hear us, please?
Okay.
David, can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I
Okay,
can hear you.
Yes, yes.
carry on, please. You can carry on. David and Tashmia.
Okay. Hello, David, sir. How are you doing?
Hello, Miss, and hello everyone. But now I am Peruvian, David Tunti, and I am 25 years, and now I am in Peruvian. I am a student in intermediate level. Yes. How are you? How old are you?
Yeah, I'm a student of RDM English School. Okay, so my name is Mushfiqur Rahman. I'm 10 years old. Okay, I read in class 5. So, what's your favorite food?
And my favorite food is ceviche. This food